How important is it to read the road for your driving test? I'm going to say pretty important. Today, we're going to be looking at how reading the road helps you to maintain a consciously skilled level when it comes to, for example, hazards. Because I guess that's what it's about, reading the road for hazards.
Did you really think I was going to buy a copy of this book for this?
How am I able to read the road so that I am able to maintain control throughout the 35-40 minutes of my test? If you already know you're moving off and you're stopping, you're turning left and turning right, you know how to do roundabouts, you know how to do crossroads, you know how to do everything. The final cherry on the cake is read the road, anticipate, plan.
Well, that's tight. Oh, I see brake lights. Let's keep my speed down. Is there somebody there? Oh, there's somebody there. Again, slow down. Car's coming through. Nice and easy.
Okay, so there are 4 stages of learning, and I'm not going to go into the first 2 stages too much because it's just really not that important. Unconsciously unskilled means you don't know anything. Consciously unskilled now means you now know that you don't know anything. Okay, great. So let's just sweep these to the side. Then you've got consciously skilled, which means you know what you need to do, but you have to think about it. And then you've got unconsciously skilled, which means you know what you need to do, but you no longer need to think about it too much. Which level do you think would be appropriate for your driving test? Getting to a point where you can drive unconsciously skilled would be absolutely fantastic. However, for a driving test, to drive unconsciously skilled, the likelihood that something's going to go wrong is way too high. So you could be thinking about something completely unrelated to what you're actually doing. Like, for example,
I wonder how much longer this test is going to go on for. Well, where'd that bus come from? Can't believe you just did that to me. Really hope this is almost over. What were you in, 20 minutes now? 25 minutes? Oh, now you decide to move off on me.
In order to drive consciously skilled, I need to think about every single action and everything that I'm doing in order to make sure to not make a mistake.
Checking my mirrors. Got this woman on the corner here. What's she doing? She's looking at me. That's fine. Got this guy's on his phone here. What's he doing? Oh, no, he's waiting. That's it. Car here with its brake lights on. Can move off, no he doesn't. There's another car, van, oh, it's a van, yeah, with the lights on, he's waiting. Got a junction up here, oh there's a car here, oh there's pedestrians, they're looking at me, they're waiting, car's waiting, got a cyclist up ahead of me.
Now I know that's really difficult and you don't need to be perfect in order to pass a test, but if you can get to 75-80% of in control of everything, then that's surely going to increase your chances of it going in your favour.
What's going on here? There's a Mini with hazard warning lights on, car with brake lights, lots of traffic. That's a nice car. Is there somebody walking around the front? Keep my speed down. Traffic lights could change. The guy's going to run straight across in front of me. Speed limit up here is 20.
And in this video, no gimmicks. Oh, by the way, because I always forget to do this, if you like what you see here, if you're getting any value out of this video, hit that like button and that'd be fantastic. You could be really nervous, in which case you're distracted, and anxiety, well, anxiety, this is a little bit different. If you're anxious, it's quite difficult to remain in control, and I do appreciate anxiety can take a little bit longer to overcome.
How am I supposed to deal with that? Oh my God, I'm stopping here. I'm stopping. I can't see anything. Oh, this is too dangerous. This is way too dangerous. Oh, hang on. I guess I could stop.
The only thing you can do in that situation is start creeping forwards in order to get a better view. Ask yourself the question, if I was to start moving, can I stop?
Oh, it's really tight down this road. Oh, this makes me so nervous. Oh, I should be okay if I just keep my speed down. I guess if anyone stepped out now, I could definitely stop.
If there are things happening around you and you don't like it, but if you started moving, could you still stop in time? Would that be okay? If the answer to that question is yes, then maybe, just maybe, that will be a little tool that you can use to help you to sort of get through those kind of horrible situations. If you like what you've seen here, hit that like button. Again, subscribe if you want more content. So until next time, get well out. Cars have been here. Cars have been here.